very good morning to all my lovely children. Today is Thursday, the fourth day of the week. Children, today we will learn and study English. In today's class, I am going to teach you to read story number 7 from Fitzroy Reader book, I Can Run, from pages 97 to 105. After that, children, we will learn a sound from Phonics Pupil book. Then I will teach you to write cursive N in the notebook. We will do an activity in our rhymes book, and then I will teach you a new rhyme, and its name is the Mulberry Bush. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now bring your Fitzroy Reader's book. Now open page number 97. Fitzroy Reader's story number 7. I and a can run. I can run. Now turn the page. Come to page number 98. Story 7, letters we know. Y, J, G. Words we know. I, am, J, jump. O, f, off. K and a can. F, ox, a fox. D, dog. F, n, fun. T, two. T, the. B, big. H, have. In this way, you have to read page number 98. Page number 99, story 7, old sound. U as a in bug. Now special words. These are the sight words in which we will not use phonic sounds. This is WITH with, TOO or double O, TOO, two. In this way you have to read page 99. Now children, turn the page. Come to page number 100. Now see, in this picture there are some children, they are playing. Now see, let's read it. I, and a can, run. I can run. I, and a can, hop. I can hop. I, and a can, jump. TOO, two. I can jump too. Children, now these kids, they are saying I can run, I can hop, I can jump too. They are saying I can run मतलब भाग सकते हैं, मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. Run मतलब दौड़ना. I can hop. Children, jumping on one leg is known as hop. I can hop and I can jump too. Jump means कूदना. So they are saying I can jump too. Now page number 101. See, I, and a can, hop, big, hops. I can hop big hops. This girl, she's saying that I can hop big hops. This means that she can hop on one leg. She can jump on one leg in big hops. I, and a can, hop, lots, off, big, hops. I can hop lots of big hops. She is saying that she can hop lots of many hops, and those hops are big hops. Okay, so she is saying I can hop lots of big hops. Turn the page. Come to page number 102. Now children, turn the page and come to page number 102. See, I, have, fun, WITH with, the, dog, in, the, sun. I have fun with the dog in the sun. Now see, this girl, she's saying that she has fun with the dog. See, this dog with the sun, they are in the daytime, they are out in a playground and they are jumping, they are hopping and they are running. So she is saying I have fun with the dog and her dog is also along with her. So she's saying, I have fun with the dog in the sun. Page number 103. I, ka and a can, jump, ba big, jumps, TOO. I can jump big jumps too. Now she's saying that she can jump big. Okay, not small, big. She can jump big jumps too. And earlier she was saying that I can hop. See, in this picture she was doing hopping. Okay, she was hopping. And those hops were big hops. See, with one leg. Hopping is done with one leg. Okay, so she was having big hops, and here she can jump big jumps too. Her jumps is not small, they are big jumps. See, जब हम दोनों पैरों से उछलते हैं, जोर से उछल के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं, that is known as jump. So she is doing jumping here, and she is saying, I can jump big jumps too. Children, now turn the page and come to page number 104. Now see. I, ka and a can, jump, lots, of, big, jumps. I can jump lots of big jumps. Now this boy is saying that I can jump lots of big jumps. He can also jump lots of big jumps. He is taking big jumps. See. Now page number 105. I, have, fun, WITH with, the dog, a dog. See, he is having a pet dog. See, they all are friends, you know, and they are having fun together. So he is also saying, I have fun with the dog. I, and a can, and a run, TOO. I can run too. Earlier he was jumping, and he was jumping big jumps. Okay, and now he is saying, I have fun with the dog. He was enjoying with this dog, and he can run too. Now he is saying, I can run too. Okay, this boy, he can run too. I hope, children, now you are able to understand this story number 7. You have to read it also till page number 105. Children, now bring Phonics Pupil Book 1 and open page number 32. Today, we will learn sound of these two letters together, and C and H together will, the sound of C and H together will be ch. Okay. Now see what action you have to do. Move your arms at your sides and as if you are in a train, and say ch, 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 ch. In this way, see, the engine moves like this. Okay. And the sound comes ch, 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 ch. Okay. In this way, you have to do this action. Children, you can color this engine also. Okay. Now let's write. First, you have to trace and write the first line like this. And you have to say the sound ch like this, slowly, slowly. Children, don't remove your hand in between, okay? Like this. Okay, see, and here you have to write on your own. So first you have to write C and then H. Like this. Like this. All right. Now in the second line, again we will revise the sounds which we learnt earlier. This is ng. And here you have to write on your own ng. Like this. This is v. This is o. Like this. And this is y. And this is x. All right. In this way, you have to finish these two lines and you have to color this engine also. Now let's read some words which are based on the sound of ch. See, ch, o, p, s, chops. Ch, I, p, s, chips. Ch, I, p, s, chips. B, a, n, ch, bunch. B, a, n, ch, bunch. Ch, a, n, chain. Ch, a, n, chain. See children, this is one sound and again this is a sound. Remember? A sound. And this is n. Ch, a, n, chain. In this way you have to read. Again, we will read it again. Ch, o, p, s, chops. Ch, I, p, s, chips. B, a, n, ch, bunch. Ch, a, n, chain. 3 of these pictures have ch sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. Okay children, now let's know about the names of these pictures. This is cheese. This is chimney. See, smoke is coming out. This is a chimney. This is a chick, a baby hen. This is a chick and this is a butterfly. So children, see, cheese, it has ch sound. Chimney, it has ch sound. Chick, it has ch sound. But this butterfly, it does not have ch sound. So you have to cross out this one. In this way, you have to finish this page, page number 32. Children, now it's time to read the words, okay? From your Phonics Pupil Book 1. ये जो वर्ड्स हैं चिल्ड्रन, ये हम रीड करना सीख चुके हैं, है ना? और ये किस में है? हमारी फोनिक्स प्यूपल बुक में है, जिन लेटर्स का साउंड हमने लर्न कर लिया है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज देम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट चिल्ड्रन. सो यू ऑल्सो स्पीक विद मी, ओके? नाउ सी, दिस इज s, at, sat, s, I, t, sit, p, I, t, pit, p, at, pat, t, ap, tap, t, I, p, tip, n, ap, nap, a, n, t, ant, p, an, pan. Now the second line, t, I, n, tin, k, at, cat, k, I, p, kip, p, I, k, pick, s, a, k, sack, s, t, set, p, t, pet, t, n, t, tent, n, k, neck, h, n, hen, h, at, hat, h, ip, hip, h, is, hiss, r, at, rat, r, ip, rip, r, an, ran, r, s, t, rest, m, n, men, n, man, is, miss, him, d, ip, dip, d, ad, dad, p, ad, pad, d, hid, g, at, get, g, ap, gap. Now the last line, p, g, peg, r, a, g, rag, h, ot, hot, op, mop, p, ot, spots, d, og, dog, s, n, sun, d, mud, k, up, cup. So children, in this way you have to read. Reading with the help of sounds of the letters make it so much fun, isn't it? So you should learn how to read these words. Read it the way I taught you. Children, today again I am going to teach you to write cursive N. Look here, children. This is cursive N. Now, see, this is today's date. Today is 18th February 2021. Children, put your pencil on the second blue line like this. Take support of this red line. Then you have to make a slanting line and you have to come down till second blue line. Then again you have to go up, touch the first blue line, then come down and then make a little loop like this. In this way, children, you have to write within two blue lines. Alright? And you have to write N in one go. Don't remove your hand in between. See. From the second blue line, make a slanting line till the first blue line, then make a standing line. Come down. Touch the second blue line, then go up again. Turn it a little bit, come down. Touch the second blue line and make a little loop like this. N. And the sound of N is N. In this way, you have to write cursive N. Now, I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, today again we will write cursive N in the same page in which 5 lines are left. Okay, in the rest of the lines. So first write today's date. Today is 18th February 2021. Like this. And write classwork also. Now let's write. From the second blue line, you have to make a slanting line and then a standing line. Go up and make a loop like this. In this way, you have to write cursive N till this block. Okay, now we are on the second line. Now see here, slanting line. Then a standing line, then we will go up, touch the first blue line, then come down till the second blue line and make a little loop like this. Children, take support of this red line like this. Children, see again I am on the last. I am about to finish this work. See. In this way, you have to write cursive N in the remaining lines of the same page in which we did work yesterday. So finish this work, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time for practice work. So in practice work, आज हम लिखेंगे प, फ, ब, भ, म. बाकी के remaining lines में जिसमें हमने 16th February को work किया था. So write today's date. आज है 18th February 2021. Like this. Now children, in the first block, you have to write P. फिर हमको लिखना है फ. फ से फल. फिर है ब. अब बारी आएगी भ लिखने की, जिसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. एंड देन म लिखेंगे हम ऐसे. ऑलराइट, अब हम प के नीचे प लिखेंगे. इस तरह से हमने प की पूरी लाइन, इस व्यंजन की पूरी लाइन हमने रिवाइज कर ली और हमने इन अक्षरों को भी फिर से लिख लिया. प लिखा. अब हम लिखेंगे फ. ऐसे लिखना है आपको. फ से फल. अब बारी आती है ब की. यह है ब. ब से बंदर. ब से बकरी. ब से बच्चा. ब से बतख. ब को ऐसे लिखेंगे. अब भ के लिए सबसे पहले एक लाइन बनाएंगे सीधी. उसके आगे हम फिर से एक लाइन बनाएंगे जो थोड़ी छोटी होगी और उसको ऐसे मोड़ के इस आगे वाली लाइन का मुंह बंद करके सिर्फ स्टैंडिंग लाइन पे छत लगाएंगे ऐसे. अब म लिखेंगे. म के लिए हम वापस से स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाएंगे. ऐसे छोटी लाइन बनाई इसके आगे और इसको मिलाया और पूरे में छत लगा देंगे बस। ये है म से मछली, म से महल, म से मच्छर और म से मगरमच्छ भी होता है। इस तरह से आपको प फ ब भ म सेम पेज में करना है। Children, now bring all 4 kids rhymes with worksheets book. And now open page number 38. Children, today we will learn a new rhyme and its name is The Mulberry Bush. Let's recite it first. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face on a cold and frosty morning. So children, see, this is a bush and it is a mulberry bush. Mulberry is a fruit. जिसका ये bush है, जिसकी ये झाड़ी है. So these children, they are going around, around, around. They are going round, round, round. They are making circle around this mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. The morning is very cold. It is a winter morning and it has frost also. So it is a cold and frosty morning. So see what they are saying. This is the way we wash our face. कैसे आप अपना face को धो रहे हो, wash कर रहे हो. This is the way we wash our face on a cold and frosty morning. These children, they are very good. They wash their face on a cold and frosty morning also. And then they play around the mulberry bush. Children, I hope now you're able to understand this rhyme. Now I will show you how you will learn and recite this rhyme with actions. Children, now open page number 39 of the same book and you have to write today's date. Today is 18th February 2021, like this. And now it's activity time. What you have to do, you have to draw a line to match the objects which go together. See, the first one is done for you. It is a lock and lock goes with a key. Alright, in this way you have to match it. Now see, the next picture is of a shoe and shoe goes with a sock. So match it like this and you can make an arrow. Okay, see, this is a flower and flower goes with a bee or a butterfly. Sorry, this is a butterfly. So match this butterfly with this flower. This is a bird and see, birds go together with eggs. It is her nest. Okay, so bird with nest. This is a book. Book goes with a pencil. Yes. And this is an umbrella. Umbrella goes with rain. So in this way, children, you have to finish this activity. And it is very interesting, isn't it? Finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to recite our new rhyme, The Mulberry Bush, with actions. So let's start it and let's sing it also. Okay, together. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face on a cold and frosty morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. Children, in this way, you have to recite this rhyme and this is very interesting. I think you will love it. Okay, so make your videos on it and send it to me.